Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to create a workspace on ClickUp. Maybe you want to enhance your team's digital communication and you want to organize your tasks and projects. So today I'm going to show you how to create a workspace on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on the three lines icon at the top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on your workspace name. A menu will pop up below, and since you wanted to create a new workspace, simply tap on this Create Workspace button. A new window will appear, and here, enter the name of your new workspace. After typing your workspace name, tap on this Create Workspace button. After that, you now have successfully created a new workspace on ClickUp. You will now find your workspace listed in the left side, ready for you to start organizing your tasks and projects. There you go. If you wanted to know how to create a workspace on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to create a workspace on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.